So the first trade was profitable one, and we have $166 on the account. So we have $258 on the account right now. So $396 we have on the account right now. Hi guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael, trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I'm going to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, my friends, so what do we have for today? First of all, I'm trading on one of the best trading platforms ever, named Pocket Option. Now I'm setting the chart and indicators. Also, the first indicator will be Bollinger bands together with Parabolic SAR, moving average, RSI, oscillator also. So let me set the Bollinger bands. First, the period will be 21, the deviation will be 2, the colors will be as follows. Safe. Now let's set the Parabolic SAR. The acceleration will be 0.015. Now let's set the moving average. The period will be 5. It will be EMA. The colors are done. Now the second moving average, it will be also EMA. Color will be red. We stop with 2 pixels. Okay, let's save it. Now RSI period will be 12. Styles will be the color with 2 pixels. Okay, save. Well, guys, now we are ready to finally start our trading activity. Give me some seconds to think. Let's check CHF GPI. As you can see, price is now above 2 moving averages, so let's change our investment to $100 and open. Of course, we have already done this buy position. Why did we do this? As I told you, first of all, we're above 2 moving averages. This is a very strong signal for us, confirmation that we're in the buy zone. Still, sellers don't have enough power to break through the even first moving average. Moreover, according to the Parabolic SAR, we're in the buy zone. So of course, everything is telling us that just like Mike, open this buy position, and I have already done this. So that's it. Everything is nice. Everything is perfect. Let's wait and see what will we get from this trade. So the first trade was profitable one, and we have $166 on the account. This is really good and nice, and let's move forward. Okay, I have changed my mind. Let's open sell position on the Audi NZD. Once again, we have invested $100. It's fine. It's fine. It's good. So we have $258 on the account right now. Audi CAD currency pair right now. Okay, so what do we have interesting here? According to the RSI, price is overbought as fuck. But still, let's change our investment to 150 and try to open buy position. I will explain you why. Because I am paying the most attention to moving averages, and according to the moving averages, we're now, as you can see, correct. We're now above both of them. Moreover, we have broken through the middle line of the Bollinger bands channel. And this is a very strong confirmation, because according to the RSI, yes, we're overbought, but not extremely. And we have enough space for the continuation of the current growth. Moreover, paying attention to our time period is just 1 minute. It's not a lot, so that's why within this 1 minute, I'm sure we will be growing. So that's why, of course, we have opened buy position, investing 150 here. So that's it, my friends. That's it. So $396 we have on the account right now. Oh yes, this is much better. First of all, we're below 2 moving averages. Secondly, we're staying on the bottom line of the Bollinger bands channel. This is the so-called support line zone. So that's the first moment. Secondly, according to the Parabolic SAR, we're now in the sell zone. Let's change our investment to $250. I am sure that we need to open sell position here. Because it's better just to follow the trend, because almost everything is telling that we are going to drop right now. And moreover, if we are breaking through the support line zone right now, we will gather the stop losses of the bars, which will give us additional fuel for the continuation of the current drop. So that's why sell position of $250 is opened, and we're just observing what will be next. By the way, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TJ, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. This is right now. Be with me. Link in the description. Okay, guys, so while I was talking, we have closed this trade with profit and we have $625 on the account. As you can see, according to the Parabolic SAR, we're now in the buy zone and we are trying to break through the second moving area. Oh, we have already broken through both of them. Of course, I have opened buy position right now, investing $350. So a very easy trade. According to the RSI, we have like lots of space for the continuation of the current growth. So that's it, guys. That's it. Let's do this. Perfect, so $948 we have right now on the account. Well, so what do we have interesting here? According to the current chart, we are moving in a very sharp upgoing channel. Let me change our investment to $400. And let me open buy position, the continuation of the current growth, because there is no sense to open sell. Just let's pay attention to the both moving averages. Price is now above them. Moreover, according to the Parabolic SAR, we're now in the buy zone. And we have already broken through the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel, having gathered the stop losses of the sellers. So this is our fuel for the continuation of the current growth. According to the RSI, price is overbought, but not so strongly. So yeah, I think we will continue growing. Everything is okay. Nothing dangerous. Nothing dangerous at all. Not so fast growth, of course, because we have already done everything. But anyway, we'll be in profit just like several seconds left and we will see the results. Yes, please hold here for some seconds. Yep, so it's done. We have $1,316 on the account, and this is a very nice result for today's trading session, guys. We have multiplied our balance like 10 times more. If you want to have the same kind of results, you can easily do this by joining my VIP channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. Do this right now. Be with me, and be the best version of yourself. See you all, and bye-bye.